Alrighty, this is the Chestnut Knob Overlook. We're here in South Mountain State Park. Doing just a slow pan. Right over there is, I think that's Laurel Hill. I think there's a cell phone tower on top of that. This is Carpenter's Knob right there in the center of that mountain that's over in the distance. And if you'll look right over there on the horizon, you can see some of the skyscrapers over there in Charlotte. And we're looking right over there to the left, to the right of that knob. You can see a little white water tower. That's the Northbrook Water Tower down off of Highway 274. So we pan slowly to the right. Kings Mountain is coming into view. And that's it. Right down in there, somewhere over in there, I believe right over about in the middle of the screen, that's Jacob's Fork, or High Shoals Falls. Beautiful.